Good afternoon, everybody. So yesterday we made some Jap Chae, but we didn't vlog it since it was our first time doing it. So, but it actually tasted good,
Yes.
right? He liked it, and Jap Chae is Korean noodles. As you can see, we have the ingredients here. We got mushrooms,
Good.
some onions,
Not funny.
and there's we got a different kind of mushroom. There's ground beef in there too. Some chopped carrots, spinach, and green onions. And we got this Jap Chae noodles.
It's a potato starch.
It's actually called a potato starch noodle. Some garlic, fresh garlic, pepper, sesame seed oil, and oyster sauce. And we're gonna start mixing it up and start cooking. JC's gonna get busy.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Walk with Jay-Z. A little bit of
Olive oil.
olive oil right there. So you guys can see we are boiling water. And we're gonna put the noodles in there later.
Be careful,
So,
boy.
Chef, what are we gonna do now, Chef?
Be careful, boy.
Chef Jay-Z. Jay-Z's gonna put the onion. He looks a little scared right now. Alright, boy. Keep mixing it, okay? Don't burn it. Jay-Z's still mixing the onions, and while he's doing that, we're gonna put the Jap Chae noodles in the boiling water. You're gonna use 2 bags. There you go. Spoon of garlic.
Mix it, mix it.
Doing a good job, boy. Huh? Doing such an amazing job cooking. You can cook for us every day, all day.
Careful.
Next, we're gonna put is the mushroom.
Shredded dried mushroom.
Shredded
or,
dried mushroom.
Or the fungus.
Fungus.
With the...
Ground beef in there.
No, it's just sliced beef.
Sliced beef, my bad. We're gonna add is the carrots. And Jay-Z's gonna keep mixing it. Right, boy?
Bye.
Yeah, Jay-Z's doing a mighty fine job cooking for us every meal. Right, boy? You're gonna be a good chef someday, huh? Chef Jeremiah. Time to check on the noodles. Jeremiah is smelling his cooking.
What's that?
Right
Not
there.
yet. Not cooked yet.
Not ready, huh?
Not ready yet. Still hot.
For those of you guys that watched our vlog from the other night about the fried chicken, thank you guys for watching. Now we're gonna add some oyster sauce. So how do you know how much to put? There you go. Not that much, just a little bit.
Cheesy.
And add some pepper.
Mommy, that's it.
He said that's it. Alright, we're gonna add some mushroom now.
Oh.
Mushroom.
I'm not gonna cook, huh?
Okay, that's it.
Mix.
We just added soy sauce not too long ago. Just in case you guys were wondering what we added earlier. There's just a little bit of soy sauce. Right, boy? Right?
Yes, say yes.
Beef.
Now it's starting to look like it's gonna be yummy. Yummy for my belly.
Okay.
Yummy for my tummy, I mean. There you go. Taste test, huh? How is it, boy?
Yeah.
Good. Then we're gonna add some more oyster sauce.
That's good. Okay. Mix.
Okay, go mix it, boy. Do what you gotta do.
Keep on mixing.
All right, boy. Jeremiah, our little bunny, right?
Okay.
So you guys done mixing it up?
Go.
Just add the vegetables. There you go.
Spinach.
Spinach and green onions. The
Beef.
green onions from the back.
Good job, mommy.
Right now it's looking amazing.
Let's put a little of salt.
And we're gonna add a little bit of salt now. You put patis if you want to. Serve some fish sauce. Add the noodles that we just drained not too long ago.
Good
And
long.
that's it.
That's it.
Right, boy? There's the noodles.
That's good, man.
Right, boy?
Oh, sorry, I forgot to cut the noodles.
Cut the
Now we're
oats.
just gonna cut the noodles. Cut the noodles. We all need a haircut right now. Quarantine. Barbers all closed up. Right, boy? We need a haircut, right?
Beef.
Yeah, please. This is my share of the work, since they all got tired of mixing it up. So we just mix it up. Right? And then we're gonna do a taste test once we get this all done. See how amazing our cook is. Jeremiah, right, boy? He was already tasting everything while he was still cooking. The mushroom. He likes mushrooms. He loves mushrooms. What else do you guys think we should cook next? Just comment in the comment section below. Make sure you guys subscribe and get notified by clicking that bell button. Forgot to add sesame oil. We forgot to put it earlier, but that's fine. It'll get in there. flavor of it. Just mixing it up anyway. So it's all cooked already. There's the moment we've been waiting for. Right, boy? He already got started. I told him to wait, but he could have waited a bit longer. So without further ado, let's do it. Good.
Okay.
Good job, boy. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog.